Hey everybody, I hope you can hear me okay. Sorry about the traffic. We're pretty kind of close to the state highway there. But anyway, I'm going to kind of go over what I'm going to be zeroing today. I just put on some of these optics. Hadn't had a chance to get them out. Yeah, somebody's already shooting this morning. Anyway, I have my zeroing kit. Basically, it's a bunch of keys that I got from different, whenever I get a red dot or whatever, I'll put the key or the tool onto the this little chain here, so I have a way to zero pretty much all the guns I get and have. So anyway, I'm going to run this one. This is my Cobalt Kinetics 13.9 with the pin and welded muzzle brake. I actually misunderstood the instructions for the competition yesterday, and I showed up with an unzeroed optic. The optic on here I put on and I bore sighted it. I put it on my tripod and just kind of poked the barrel at the pointed the barrel at the target and then moved the red dot to it. And it actually, to tell you the truth, was doing really well. I'll be kind of curious on how zeroed it is. So anyway, that's the first one. Well, first up is my Cobalt Kinetics, the gun I ran in the drills with yesterday. So what I like to do is I like to put it on a tripod. Do everything from the tripod. I don't need prone. Anyway. All right. Can't see what's going on. Go ahead and I'm going to take a walk down there and see what's going on. All right, so I'm down here now. That's what I got for just bore sighting this gun. From I'm at 45 yards. So anyway, I'm gonna put some more targets up here and see if I can get something that works a little better. Okay. These, that, and that are my last, two of my last three. So I was hitting over here, I moved it way over here, and then I moved it right back. So I'm just gonna call that good because, yeah, 45 yards, it's as far back as I can go, but using a red dot with astigmatism, that damn dot looks like the three dots in that Terminator, or the freaking Predator movie. So anyway, so this is the pile of brass from my, sighting in of my Kinetics gun. I would call that a pretty decent pile, and it's sitting right around 4 o'clock. And yeah, so what I got in there is the Cobalt Kinetics A5, the Volter A5 buffer system with the number 3 Cobalt Kinetics buffer and a green Springco buffer spring.